Hello everyone, my name is Praveen and welcome to my channel. Ooty, also known as Udagamandalam, was once a summer capital of Madras Presidency. It's a paradise for nature lovers. The Queen of Hills, as it is rightly called, has something for everyone. It has picturesque valleys, mystic waterfalls, fascinating grasslands, lush green tea estates and many more. Now let's check out the top places to visit in Ooty. Botanical Gardens is a heaven for those who love trees and flowers. This garden is spread over 55 acres and is divided into several sections. This garden was established in the year 1848 and has around 1,000 species of plants, trees, bonsai, ferns, etc. Ooty Lake is an artificial lake spread across 65 acres surrounded by lush mountains. You can enjoy paddle and rowing boat rides here. Also, there are some recreational activities like amusement parks, toy trains, and horse rides for the children. Fernhills Palace is one of the unexplored places in Ooty. This palace was built by the Britishers. This is not a regular place to visit for the visitors, but you can get into the palace if you either plan to stay there or have a lunch. Doddabetta Peak is the highest peak in Ooty and one can enjoy a panoramic view of Nilgiri Hills from here. Rose Garden is home to almost 20,000 varieties of roses. Emerald Lake is 25 kilometers from Ooty and is one of the most preferred picnic spots. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway runs between Ooty and Mettupalayam and is known as an engineering marvel. The complete journey may take around 4 to 5 hours. You can plan your trip till Kunur and then visit some places around Kunur. One can enjoy the journey through tunnels, bridges, lush fields, valleys and mountains. A 10-kilometer drive from Kunur brings you to the Dolphin Nose viewpoint. A rock in the shape of a dolphin's nose gives it its name. You can also see the majestic Catherine Falls from here. You can find unending tea plantations throughout the roads leading to Dolphin's Nose. Also, you can find tea factories and outlets. Pine forest boasts of a orderly planted pine trees which ranges from 3 to 80 meters in height. Most of the trees here are some 1,000 years old. The Ninth Mile appeared in many Indian movies and so is nicknamed as Shooting Spot. This is a perfect spot to spend few hours away in a calm and serene environment. You have to trek to the top to have good views. Kamaraja Sagar Dam can be seen on the way to Paikara Falls. Paikara Falls is around 20 kilometers from Ooty. The Paikara River gets down majestically in a series of cascades and the last two falls are known as Paikara Falls. One needs to walk for around 500 meters from main road or can take a battery car to reach the entry point of the falls. This is also one of the places in Ooty where many of the movie shootings happen. Boat house on Paikara Reservoir is an added attraction. Next to Paikara, we can find the Needle Rock viewpoint. One can climb up the rocks and get a panoramic view of the sceneries around. If you are traveling to Ooty via Mysore, you will have a memorable journey through the Bandipura and Madumalai forests. You can also take wildlife safari rides here. If you were impressed with this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.